Welcome to my video on the EUDAX. This is the fruit battery kit. It just came in the mail, so I'll see what I've got here. Try to do some experiments with this. Open it up and we'll pour out the contents and see what's in here. Okay, so let's see here. Let's look at the manual first. See what it tells us. Okay, this is the Fruit Battery Science Experiment Kit. That's what we're looking at. And here's the different types of fruit that you can use. And you can also use a salt solution, it looks like. And I know you can use potatoes, and so this is different parts. So this goes through each of the individual parts. Let's pull these out and take a look at them. Make sure we're looking at the proper parts. We'll try to do this here in the next few days, do some of these experiments. Okay, this looks like the electrodes. Okay, yeah, here we go. This is the zinc electrode right here. And then this is going to be the copper electrode. So these are two dissimilar metals, and that'll be part of the reason that we have a voltage produced. So those are the two electrodes. It shows me how to hook them up, and then it tells me about inserting them into the piece of fruit. And so let's see, human conductivity experiment, okay. See what it does. I'm not sure what that is. We'll have to read about that. Okay, so now we do a fruit. What we're going to have to do 4 in series, essentially. Because I'm going to try to run this LED. This is a light emitting diode right here. This little device. It emits electric light when a voltage is applied in one direction, and the length of these two leads tells us which direction is the positive and the negative. You put voltage on it one way, it lights. If you put voltage on the other way, it does not light. And so here's some white ones. So and then these are the leads associated with hooking it into the different types of fruit. I'll have to go through this. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to do is hook it up to. Yeah, there's the negative and the positive for the connectors right there. Okay, let's see what the second part of this is. Well, okay, so now the fruit battery works with electronic clock. Okay, so I've got a little electronic clock in here. See if I can get that out. And apparently it doesn't take a lot of voltage to run the clock. It just requires one. There's not much to that. Okay, so there's the little clock, and we'll see how that works when we get to that point. And so here's the clock, and then that's pretty much all there is to it. So reference video right here. I'll probably watch that before we do an experiment just to make sure I understand what's going on. But this is the EUDAX kit. Pretty much it's only like $8 off Amazon, so it's not a lot of money, but I'm looking forward to kind of building some different batteries and seeing how they work with different fruits and vegetables. Thank you for watching.